Well, scheduled for Monday, 1 p.m. It's Adamson Lady Falcons against Arellano Lady Chiefs.
Okay. Rina Villamor will make a quick report.
Yes, what's lacking for the Lady Bulldogs in that first set, they were just playing too slow and there was no communication and no effort at all. Sabi nga ni Coach Edget kanina, napaka-lazy nila in that first set. What's important for them in the second set is to show fire. Pagsimula pa lang nila, don't focus on the score, just focus on this game. And just a quick update on Dindin Santiago, who I saw was being stretched by their therapist for the reason that both her knees are in pain now, which has been a recurring pain since her high school days. Back to you guys.
That is also part and parcel of being a tall person also, and having to dive and dig in this game.
True.
That's,
and si Dindin, nakita mo, hindi naman halos nilalabas yan pati sa depensa.
True.
Because she's also good with her defense.
Kesulga is just a smart player. She had a double block in front of her and she decided, I'll sneak this in banda sa may elbow.
In fact, ito yung kanina, no, in the pre-game, sinasabi natin, itong NU squad, they will really be honed with the different styles of play. Ito yung isang style of play, di ba? Medyo may halong, alam mo yung street, kumbaga may street basketball.
Yep.
Ito parang ganun sa volleyball.
Good point.
Binibigyan lang sila ng push, off-speed. Tingnan mo tong running hit ni Praka. Off the block Alam mo na off the block Hindi na humarap pa kabilang side Talagang patatamain sa blockers.
Si Abigail talagang mispoise si Praka. Huli ka!
And Praka with that single block. That deserves a second look.
Look all the way to her reaction. Oh, look at that. Delightful. It's nakakatuwang Miss Mike Mosey. We all know that, pero the block is something different, huh?
Saka yung
long.
mag-isa ka doon, tapos yung na-block mo, napakalakas na player, katulad ni Dindin Santiago. Tapos, it's talagang all you're doing.
Good point. It's something that you love from this game. Jaja serving.
Kesulga. Ito yung smartness na pinapansin mo kay Kesulga.
May
kasama pang Hindi, doon niya papupunta yung walang tao doon sa side ng NU. Ayan umatras ng lahat. So alam mo naman doon niya papupuntahin, pero medyo mahina yung pagkakapalo. Pero she got the role of the...
It looks like she's so smart that she gave soft stuff. But you know, if you play this game, it's a bit of a mishit. Just some breaks going her way. Double block, it went back. And it's a double touch against NU. Boy, they're paying...
Putting themselves on the foot, diba?
Yes, well said. They're gonna hurt themselves.
Ganina, ganyan din ng first set. Yung errors nila, kinapitalize yung USC.
But if they don't keep their eye on the road. Palo ito. Cortez missing. Gigil.
And nakita niya yung very tall Dindin Santiago sa harapan niya.
Naglimang isip. Mikasa is our official ball of the Shakey's V League. One day I will just make a mistake and I hope it's not soon. I almost said it's the official outfit. I almost did.
That will be the day.
Not yet. It's not Kesulga scores again.
Kesulga, that down the line hit. Nobody home for the National U.
She's doing a good job of spotting the open spot spaces.
Kanina pa siya hanap-hanap lang ng butas.
And
ito na naman.
You know where she makes the adjustment with her hand? Pag twist niya ng hand niya, iibahin niya yung direksyon ng palo Yung iba dyan, palo ng palo Long. But no, it sailed down.
Ang ganda naman ng set na yun. Matubingke there for the taking.
Hinulugan kayo! And the Cebuano team roaring in front, 12-10.
Well, Obingke getting that dig. That's why they were able to get this point. Kesulga, 3 attack points so far, and Panis with 2 on the side of University of San Carlos.
Nicely done. Well done by Pablo. When her game and her spike is on the proper curve, she can nail it. Malakas papalo, ha?
Oo, malakas talaga si Myla Pablo pumalo. Yun lang, again, ano yung consistency na naman.
Obinke keeping it afloat. Panis does not force the issue. Good decision. Why not?
This time it was Santiago putting it in the proper place, in the right place.
You know, wala yung kay Din yung pagka-little girl niya. Yung delight niya pag nakaka-score siya.
Ngayon nga lang medyo naging ate siya. Dahil nandiyan si Jaja. Kanina kita mo pinagsasabihan.
Nung araw siya yung baby, eh.
Yes.
No? Ah, but look at this. And you're roaring back quickly, 13-12. Now, San Carlos falling apart here in terms of being compact and being consistent here. Rotation does not favor them. Praca is at the back row, actually. Obinke. Praca will slide it over. De Leon, set up job. That's out.
That's out. And you know, with a 2-point lead.
Coach Laburga, cool na cool talaga. Hindi niya gagamitin. Aantayin niya yung technical timeout. Sige. Hindi ako magsasayang ng timeout dito. Jesulga. Scoring machine of San Carlos. Nicely done. Buhay pa to.
Buhay na buhay.
Magkagulo kayo dyan.
Well
done! Yes!
Whipping it. Myla Pablo. Yan eh, she will have her days. Yan ang si Myla Pablo so far with 4 attack points. And ang maganda dyan, 4 of 4 dito si Myla Pablo. Which
Okay.
is 100% so far in the second set.
Look out, huh?
Yes, that's right. Poor decision there on taking that ball.
Well, she committed. Alam mo, ang volleyball, commitment
Commit.
yan.
Tama.
16-12. The second technical timeout level is on.